front of me is Motorola Razr 30, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. First of all, open Messages app and select one of your chats. Then click on this plus icon at the bottom left corner and click on Files section. Now you can select one of those apps, tap on those three lines at the top left corner and click on one of those sources, or click on Audio and Videos filters at the top. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, hold your file that you wish to add and click on Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my audio file was successfully added. If you're struggling to add a video one using Files section, try to access Gallery instead. Click on Gallery, then tap on Folders, click on Videos filters, hold it and click on Select the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!